welcome to Reloved Guitars. This is a quick update actually. This is what I've been doing for the last few days, a couple of weeks actually. You can see me running around the new office, giving it a coat of paint. This is a room that used to be a site office for an industrial estate. It's up on the first floor, and it's been cobbled together from all kinds of interesting things. So the walls are made of, I think, refrigeration panels from a refrigeration truck. Anyway, after painting it, my good mate Rod came up and helped me put down some new chipboard on the floor and brought all his equipment, as you can see. And there's some holes. Those black bits on the floor are actually holes going through to the ground floor. So we've been careful not to tread on them. But Rod's a lifelong joiner and house builder, so he knows exactly how to fit flooring and to do it precisely to the millimetre, which is far more accurate than I would do it. It's coming along very slowly. In the next week I want to be building a couple of workbenches in this room that you can see, and once that's done, my plan is to start making guitars up here and making lots of sawdust, because that's what this space is for, making sawdust, using tools at any time of day or night. That's what's fantastic about this place. It's not really that great a setup for a workshop, but actually as a space to work 24/7 whenever I choose, and make as much noise as I like, use whatever tools I like, and also to do spraying and finishing. It's a pretty amazing chance. So I've jumped at it, and it'll probably take up till Christmas to get it the way I want it. So just wanted to check in, say hello, and thanks for subscribing and watching.